Hello again. This is going to be a video for actually going and downloading and installing Foreplay. So this is also going to assume that you've already got a MAME set up in a directory, which I do here, called MAME 285, and you can see the exe and a few other stuff. But the important thing to note is we're going to use the snap and the icons folder from items that we're going to download from the Foreplay homepage. So let's go ahead and start. When you go to the homepage, you'll get information about the version that's available along with the date that I uploaded it, and then that bullet list over there to the right, which has the latest features and bug fixes for that particular build. So we'll click it here. It kicks off the download, puts it right here. For me on the desktop, it'll be wherever you choose your browser to download. And then we'll extract it all. And we'll put that up here a little bit. So the disk package only contains about 5 items. It's got the user guide, which you can also access on the web page over here. You can view it online or you can download it. Please go through that. It's something that I've worked on a very long time, and it's a very lovely Word document turned into a PDF. So anyhow, that's the plug. And then the most important file in here, of course, is the SQLite DLL that helps drive the app. So the initial version of Foreplay, I liked to recommend to people to actually drop it into the same directory as the MAME exe back in the day. Now I choose to separate them just so they've got their own separate, distinct directories and they don't cross-pollinate and pollute each other. If Foreplay exe and its files were inside with the MAME exe, if you launched Foreplay, it would automatically find MAME here, and you wouldn't have to link it for the first time. So let's go ahead and double-click this, and we'll get a notification from Microsoft Defender trying to protect you because it's an unsigned exe. We'll go ahead and choose Run Anyway. And now we'll get the prompt for where to locate the MAME exe that Foreplay is going to be linked to. So let's go ahead and put that in there so it can find it, and then you just click Open, and Foreplay itself will start grinding and extracting the 300 meg list XML from MAME, and that takes about 8 seconds or less, it looks like, on my 12700K. So here it is running, and I forgot to mention a step, so let's go back to that. I am also the guy that's done the snapshots and the icons since 1997 for MAME in an official / unofficial capacity with MAME UI and MAME 32. So these are separate from any of the extra torrents that you might see floating around. So let's go ahead and click on them. MAME snapshots and MAME icons. These are 7-zip files that when they finish downloading, you can simply drop into their respective folders inside the MAME directory. And so, yeah, snap would go into snap, obviously, and icons the other way. I've already got versions in there, so I'm not going to do the physical copy. Okay, so with those 2 items, you're going to get the nice icons and snapshots. So the icons I've been redoing in twice the resolution of the originals that I did back in the day and for the next 15 years or whatever. and now they're 64 by 64 resolution pixels. And also for the snapshots, I'm doing raw MAME output for the snapshots using the native machine's resolution. So I'm no longer doing the scaling for people, and that assumes that the front end that you're going to use it with will be able to scale to 4 by 3 or 3 by 4 depending on the machine. As you can see, that's what happens in foreplay. So that's the installation. I don't want to get too far afield on this install video. So we'll talk about the UI next. Thank you.